Cleaning gutters has to be one of the most hated jobs around the house. Getting up on the ladder to do a few meters at a time, then getting down and moving the ladder as you gradually make your way around the house can take hours. But there's an easier way. Today, I'll show you how a Karcher pressure washer can do the job from down on the ground. The way it's done is by connecting our telescopic lens to your pressure washer. This allows you to stand on the ground and use your pressure washer and still reach the gutters. What you will also need to attach to the end of your telescopic lens is a VP 180 Vario joint. This joint bends, allowing you to spray water from the lens at an angle that cleans your gutters. Now that it's connected, let's give it a go. As you can see, the water pressure is strong enough to clean out all the leaves, mud and sticks in the gutters and push them onto the ground. You can just walk your way along the base of the house until you get all the way around. The other way it can be done is by using our gutter and pipe cleaning set. It has a bracket that connects to your gutters, allowing you to clean from the ground. You just need to go and connect it by using a ladder, and you can come back down to use your pressure washer. After that, all you have to do is pick up the mess off the ground and you're done.